If you're over 60 and you've ever felt that moment where you push yourself up from a chair and think, wow, that used to be easier, I want you to stop everything and listen closely because what I'm about to share with you today has shocked doctors, surprised physical therapists, and quietly transformed the health of thousands of people your age. And here's the crazy part. It's not a pill, it's not a machine, it's not a fancy workout, and it doesn't require a gym. It's just one squat. Not the painful kind. Not the kind you see bodybuilders doing with heavy weights. I'm talking about a simple, controlled, joint-friendly squat that, when done the right way, can change how your body feels, moves, and functions faster than walking, stretching, or most exercises doctors usually recommend. So stay with me because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do it safely, why it works so powerfully after 60, and why many doctors now quietly encourage this movement even though almost no one talks about it openly. Now let me ask you something honestly. How many times a day do you sit down and stand back up? From a chair, from the toilet, from the bed, from the couch. That motion right there, that is your real daily fitness test. And most people don't realize this, but the moment standing up becomes hard, everything else in life quietly starts shrinking. Confidence goes down. Balance becomes shaky. Knees feel weaker. Hips feel stiff. Even your breathing changes. Doctors call it loss of functional strength, but what it really means is your independence is slowly slipping away. And here's the truth most people never hear. Walking is good, stretching is helpful, but neither of them trains the exact movement your body depends on to stay strong and independent as you age. The squat does. Now before you panic and think, squats will destroy my knees, let me stop you right there. Bad squats hurt knees. Poorly taught squats cause pain. But the right squat, done slowly, controlled, and supported, is actually one of the most knee-protective movements your body can do after 60. In fact, many orthopedic doctors now use this exact squat in rehabilitation because it strengthens the muscles that protect your knees instead of stressing them. Here's why this one squat is so powerful. It works your legs, your hips, your glutes, your core, your lower back, and even your posture all at the same time. That's 6 major systems working together in one smooth movement. Most exercises only hit 1 or 2 areas. This one hits everything that keeps you upright and steady. And the best part? Your body recognizes this movement instantly because it's something you were designed to do your entire life. Babies squat naturally. Traditional cultures squat daily. We're the first generation to stop doing it, and we're paying the price with weak legs, stiff joints, and fear of falling. Now let's talk about the shock doctors experienced. When older adults began practicing this one squat daily, just a few repetitions a day, doctors noticed improvements that usually take months of therapy. Blood sugar numbers improved. Balance tests improved. Knee pain reduced instead of increased. Lower back stiffness eased. Even digestion and breathing improved because the squat gently activates the deep core muscles that support your organs. One geriatric physician said, it's like flipping a switch back on in the body. And no, this isn't about going deep or forcing your body into uncomfortable positions. This squat is about control, comfort, and consistency. Imagine standing in front of a sturdy chair. You gently push your hips back, slowly lower yourself until your body lightly touches the chair, and then you stand back up using your legs, not your hands. That's it. That simple movement, done slowly, is the squat that changes everything. What makes it so effective after 60 is the way it wakes up muscles that have been asleep for years. The glutes, which are the largest muscles in your body, often shut down as we age because we sit too much. When your glutes are weak, your knees take extra stress. Your lower back works harder. Your balance suffers. This squat reactivates those muscles gently, without strain. That's why people often notice knee pain improving after a few weeks instead of getting worse. Now let me address fear because I know many of you are thinking it. What if I lose balance? What if my knees hurt? What if I can't get back up? That fear is completely normal. And that's exactly why this squat is done with support. You can hold onto a countertop, a chair, or a wall. You can start by barely lowering at all. Even a few inches counts. The body responds to intention, not depth. Over time, your range naturally increases as strength returns. And here's something fascinating. This squat doesn't just strengthen muscles, it retrains your nervous system. After 60, the brain sometimes forgets how to efficiently communicate with muscles. That's why movements feel slower and less coordinated. This squat rebuilds that connection. Doctors call it neuromuscular re-education. You'll notice it when walking feels smoother, stairs feel less intimidating, and standing feels more stable. Let's talk about falls for a moment, because this is serious. Falls are one of the biggest threats to health after 60. And most falls don't happen because people trip. They happen because the legs can't react fast enough to catch the body. This squat trains exactly that response. It strengthens the muscles that help you stop yourself, correct balance, and stay upright. That's why physical therapists love it. It's prevention, not reaction. Now I want you to picture your future for a second. Picture yourself getting out of a car easily, getting up from the floor without fear, walking upstairs without pulling on the railing, playing with grandchildren without worrying if you'll be able to stand back up. This isn't fantasy. This is functional strength, and this one squat builds it better than almost anything else. And let's clear up another myth. You don't need to do hundreds of reps. In fact, doing too many too soon is a mistake. For most people over 60, 5 to 10 slow, controlled squats once or twice a day is enough to start seeing changes. The key is slow movement. Slow down on the way down. Pause lightly on the chair. Then push through your feet to stand up. Breathe naturally. No rushing. Your muscles respond better to slow tension than fast movement at this stage of life. Another reason doctors are shocked by this squat is how it affects metabolism. When you activate large muscles like the legs and glutes, your body becomes more sensitive to insulin. That means better blood sugar control. That's huge for people dealing with prediabetes or type 2 diabetes. Walking helps, yes, but this squat sends a much stronger signal to your metabolism because it involves more muscle mass at once. And let's not ignore posture. Poor posture after 60 isn't just about looks. It affects breathing, digestion, and even mood. This squat strengthens the muscles that keep you upright. People often notice they stand taller without trying. Shoulders feel more relaxed. Breathing becomes deeper. That's not a coincidence. That's your body returning to a more natural alignment. Now, if you've tried exercises before and quit because they hurt or felt overwhelming, this is different. This squat meets you where you are. Bad day? Do 2 reps. Good day? Do 10. Tired? Hold on to support. Stronger day? Use less support. There's no failure here, only feedback from your body. Doctors are shocked because this movement looks too simple to be powerful. But simplicity is exactly why it works. Your body doesn't want complicated. It wants natural, repeated movement patterns it understands. And nothing is more natural than sitting and standing. I want you to understand something important. This squat is not about looking fit. It's about staying capable. It's about protecting your independence. It's about confidence in your body again. When your legs are strong, fear goes down. When fear goes down, life opens back up. Now imagine committing to this one movement for the next 30 days. Just 1 month. Not changing your diet. Not buying equipment. Just doing this squat consistently. Most people report less stiffness in the first week. Better balance by the second week. Stronger legs and less joint pain by the third week. And by the 4th week, something even better happens. They stop thinking about their age as a limitation. That's why doctors are shocked. Because this one squat doesn't just change muscles, it changes mindset. It reminds your body what it's capable of. So if you're over 60 and you've been told to take it easy, let me tell you this instead. Take it smart. Take it slow. Take it consistent. This one squat, done correctly, could be the most important movement you practice every day. And before you go, promise me one thing. Don't overthink it. Don't wait for motivation. Just stand up, find a chair, and try it gently. Your body will tell you the rest. And when you start feeling stronger, steadier, and more confident, you'll understand why doctors didn't expect something this simple to be so powerful. If this helped you, stay with me because in the next videos, I'll show you how to build an entire joint-friendly routine around movements like this. No pain, no gym, just real strength for real life after 60.